The Diljit Dosanjh vs AP Dhillon controversy has a new update. The Amar Singh Chamkila actor recently clarified that there is no truth to the claims that the excuses singer made. Responding to AP Dhillon's allegations that he was blocked by Diljit, the star of the Dilluminati tour shared an update on his Instagram stories, claiming that he had not blocked him. Diljit even claimed that he might get into issues with the government but never with his fellow artists. So, what really happened? During his Indore concert on December 8, Diljit sent his best wishes to his fellow Punjabi performers AP Dhillon and singer Karan Aujla. Two of my brothers, Karan Aujla and AP Dhillon, have started their tours. Best of luck to them too, he had said. But AP's response to this was not what fans expected. I just want to say one small thing, brother. First, unblock me on Instagram and then talk to me. I don't want to talk about what marketing is happening, but first, unblock me. I have been working for 3 years. Have you ever seen me in any controversy? The Brown Munde singer said on Saturday. With regards to this, Diljit shared a screenshot of AP Dhillon's Instagram profile on Saturday night, saying he never blocked the singer. I never blocked you. My issues can be with the government but not with artists. Read the caption of his post. Now, Badshah added a new twist to the ongoing public feud between Punjabi singers Diljit Dosanjh and AP Dhillon. On Sunday, the Abhi To Party Shuru Hui Hai singer shared a cryptic post on his Instagram stories, seemingly taking a stand on AP Dhillon and Diljit Dosanjh's feud. The post read, "Please don't make the mistakes that we made. The world is ours for the taking. Like they say, if you wanna go fast, go alone, but if you wanna go far, go together. United we stand." He dropped a folded hands emoji at the end of the post. Amid their public feud, Badshah's post gained attention as he also got involved in a feud with Honey Singh earlier. Recently at AP Dhillon's concert, Jazzy B and Honey Singh along with the singer came together for an unforgettable live performance of the title track Dil Lutya. The collaboration was spotted during a performance in New Delhi. It left fans ecstatic and needless to say it took social media by storm as videos of the performance went viral on social media. Jazzy B sang his iconic track Dil Lutya at the event while Honey Singh performed his song Millionaire. AP Dhillon began his set with his signature hits such as Summer High, Brown Munde Excuses and Dil Nu. He was joined by his collaborator Shinda. The duo performed songs including Bora Bora and Old Money and left the fans grooving to the beats. Getting back to Diljit and AP's ongoing feud, their take on this has left the fans divided. While we await to see what would happen next, will there be any reconciliation or this will turn into another major feud? Only time will tell. Till then, stay tuned.